Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moi, and today we're going to be unboxing the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Zebra colorway, so let's get to it. Alright, so here's the box, and you already know we can't open the box without our Supreme knife, and so let's get to it. Alright, so upon opening the box, it is blank. So on the bottom of the box is probably the bottom of the shoe box, but so is what I saw, I'm seeing, but let's see how it looks. Alright, so we have our 350 on top, and then Boost on the side, and then on the opposite side there's nothing. And on the back it says Yeezy 350 V2 made by Adidas, the little small Adidas logo on the bottom, and then on the opposite side we have our sizing, and so it is a 9.5. That is my size, but the colors are white, sea black, it's most likely core black, and then red. And so the model again, Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Alright, so that's basically it for the box, and so let's see how they look. Alright, damn. So here's the shoe. First thoughts, I like it already. I love the white on the midsole. The midsole is really white. It looks really good, and the sole. Clearly the camera kind of picking it up. And I get closer, so it's not as bright, but then I come over here, it's pretty bright. But yeah, okay, so I've explained this already in other videos about the stitching, but let me get the other shoe out so you guys can get a better look at both, and you don't get an extra set of laces, sadly. Let's start from the top. Uppers, black and white, of course, with the Sply 350. St. Pablo loves you. I'm thinking that's what it says. I'm sorry if I get that wrong, but yeah, Sply 350 in red, and that is the only red on this shoe. Well, you can see it on the insole, but not on the outsole. It's the material used for the letters on the uppers. So there's And so, really basic review, you know, white laces, black and white uppers with the red lettering on the side, and then on the inner side of the shoe, black and white as well. And then what I love about these is that they have the pull tab on the back, this little strap, because some of the Yeezy models don't have it. So it's a little detail that I love. But the stitching as well, it's cross stitching. Some of the shoes don't have that. It's usually straight stitching sometimes, but this one has a cross stitching. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna put the link on the top. In the Oreo video that I recently did, it shows the difference between the straight stitching and the cross stitching. But yeah, on the insole it says Adidas Yeezy, and then we have our little reflective 3 stripes on the back. You can't really see it, but when you take a picture, it's pretty bright. You'll see the reflecting, if you don't have your foot inside the shoe, of course. But then also midsole, all white, and then sole is all white with the boost as well. So you can see that right there. And then on the bottom, it should say boost right there. So yeah, so let's get to the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. Alright, so that wraps up the video on the zebras. Let me know if you guys would rock or if you guys would drop. Other than that, I hope you guys are having a good day or night, and I'll catch you in the next one.